Truckers can heave a sigh of relief. For at least 8 days, they may ply the streets of Manila. This after the city government announced an 8-day suspension of the daytime truck ban. More from Noel Perfecto.
The City of Manila has implemented temporary 8-day lifting of the truck ban to pave the way for the upcoming World Economic Forum sponsored by the Philippines. Mayor Erap Estrada released the ordinance to limit the implemented truck ban in the city. Estrada said the World Economic Forum will be held from May 21st to 23rd, to which the government would need 8 days to clear the streets from the visitors and to divert the traffic flow from the ports in the country.
Magkakaroon na World Economic Forum. So, nagsabi ang ating Secretary of Public Works at saka si Secretary Singson at saka Cabinet Secretary Almendras kumari daw because of the coming World Economic Forum here in Manila. Gusto ko lang paabot sa inyo na merong truck moratorium mula bukas, Martes, hanggang sa susunod na Martes, tapos nang balik ulit yung truck ban.
Vice Mayor Isko Moreno hopes for everyone's cooperation, especially the huge trucks, to temporarily avoid the ports so as not to be deterrent to the upcoming forum.
With the leadership of President Mayor Estrada, tingin ko mapapabuti naman ang lungsod. So ang payo namin, ang gusto namin sabihin sa ating mga truck haulers, operators, pwede ko kayo maghanap buhay sa Maynila, pero kailangan sumunod kayo sa batas trapiko. Hindi ko namin kayo pinagbabawalan maghanap buhay, pero kailangan ilagay natin sa ayos, kusa at sariling disiplina ang pairalim po natin habang kayo'y nasa lungsod ng Maynila.
Meanwhile, stakeholders are still pleading for the concerned officials to look into the problem and provide solutions for the truck ban issue.
Nanawagan na po kami kay Pangulo na sana pakialaman ho yung truck ban na ito. Kasi sumulat na po sa kanya yung European Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines. Lahat po ng mga stakeholders nakapirma na po doon.
We have to continue begging to the national government offices to really intervene.
May pag-asa sa palagay niyo?
Pagka nakialam ang national government sa lahat ng napakaraming problema at kumakatok sa kanila, at pag kinausap nila si Mayor Erap, President Erap, siguro sa tingin ko walang magiging problema.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.